In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a sign-up form on GoDaddy, which provides a convenient way for your website visitors to engage and interact with your content. Irrespective of whether you are looking to grow your subscriber list or provide a straightforward channel for customer inquiries, a sign-up form serves as an effective interactive tool. We begin the process by venturing to your GoDaddy product page. Once you're there, you need to single out your website amidst your products and select the option termed Manage. This move enables you to get into the heart of your site, where you can make structural and aesthetic changes that reshape the overall user experience. Once you have successfully gained control of your website, your next move is to click on the Edit Website option. Activating this operation opens up the Website Builder, a comprehensive digital toolbox that offers a universe of possibilities for website modification. Think of it as the control center of your GoDaddy website, where every hinge, spring, and cog within your site can be altered or replaced altogether. Now, with the reins of your website firmly in your grip, you need to scroll through your site to identify where you want to place the new sign-up form. Providing such interaction method at a place where it is easily visible can significantly enhance its effectiveness. Upon identification of the spot, you should proceed to click on the Plus Add Section option. At this stage, we seek a section that is designed to serve as a sign-up form while also complementing the overall aesthetics of your website. To initiate this, you need to search for and select the Subscribe section. Once you have singled out Subscribe, you will be promptly provided with an array of layout options. Let your overall design preference and the need to maintain a seamless visual flow guide you in choosing a layout. Having chosen the layout that sits perfectly within your website's visual narrative, you'll start customizing this section. The right panel contains a myriad of customization options for the headline, description, and button label of your form. Experiment until you find the perfect blend that breathes life into your sign-up form, effectively communicating its purpose to your website visitors. Now, with your changes made, you proceed to select Done to apply these groundbreaking modifications onto your website. Yet these changes aren't live until you hit the Publish button. Doing so not only seals your modifications, but also presents them live to your site visitors. There you have it. A well-explained journey towards implementing a sign-up form on your GoDaddy website. Now go and invite your users to engage more effectively with your content.